Meaning of flying jacket.
Flying jacket.
Flying jacket.
Flying jacket.
Flying jacket. A flying jacket is a type of jacket typically worn by pilots and aviators that provides warmth, protection, and functionality during flights. It's often made of leather or nylon with a dense inner lining and features ribbed cuffs and waistband to keep out the cold air, as well as multiple pockets for storage. The term flying jacket can also refer to a bomber jacket that was popularized during World War II and has since become a fashion icon. Overall, flying jackets combine practicality with style and remain a popular choice for aviation enthusiasts and fashion enthusiasts alike.